Hello, my name is Fernando O'Neill, and this is my project for the Saturday lab class. And it is a Sauron Army Soldier Management System based off of Lord of the Rings. Um, it is a Spring Boot web application, and it allows you to do CRUD, create, read, update, and delete any soldiers that you want to add. Uh, or delete any soldiers. It uses Java, HTML, CSS, and also MVC architecture. As you see here, we're in the login page. If you like The Office, I have Dwight as an orc, Jim as a goblin, and Michael Scott as a Nazgul. Um, I just like both things a lot, Lord of the Rings and The Office. So I just thought it'd be funny to have them be like Sauron developers. Anyways, let's log in. As you can see in this login screen, you don't have to you don't have to type in anything specific. You just type anything. There's no like guardrails or anything. So let me just put as an example. I'll just put loopy mail, and it'll let me through. All right. So now we're here at the main menu. One thing that I really wanted to do in the main menu was make it really easy to navigate to uh, other options in the program. So from Add Soldier, you'll be able to go to Nazguls, or when you go to View Total Army, you'll be able to select pretty much everything except Restart Program. And I'll go over Restart Program towards the end. But let's start off with Add a Soldier. So Oscar the Orc, do an Orc. And his weapon, we're going to make it an axe. I added a drop-down menu for type because there's a lot of times when for Goblin, for example, when I wanted to type in Goblin, sometimes my entry would be with a lowercase g instead of an uppercase G, and I had another entry within the same time that I tested it, and it was an uppercase G. So when I looked at my total army, just the way that it looked, I thought it looked kind of sloppy. So I added a drop down menu to organize things a lot more. Um, here is here's the total army. As you can see, the orc that I just added, he's there. And of course, there's other characters, including another Oscar the Orc. But this is a good chance for us to edit Oscar. So I'm gonna name him. I'm gonna name him Barmon. Bar. Oh, yeah, Benny Bopper. Let's see Benny Bopper. All right, so update soldier. See, look, now he's Benny Bopper. Um, let's go to view goblins. Let me add a new goblin. Um, Goopa, 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 Goblin, uh, Arrow. Save. Look, now there's a Goopa Goblin. Um, if I want to delete anyone, like, let's also get a Nazgul. Add a soldier. Um, Narc, Narc. That's cool. Give him a sword because in the movie they have the swords. All right, so save. So look, here's my total army right now. I can view specifically orcs. Um, go back. I give you specifically goblins. Back. I give you specifically Nazgul. Now I go back to view total army, and I'm gonna delete Nate. So let's delete Nate, and now Nate's gone permanently. Um, and as you can see here, you could easily go to any other parts of the main menu. Now, if you want to restart the program, you can. Uh, this will restart all your information and delete any information. So you just hit yes, restart program. Log back in. I'm just log in as Fernandork. I know I didn't think that went through when I had Dorkin in, but Marcus. Marcus Mark X. Save soldier. And now it's only Marcus. So when you hit restart program, deletes everything. It's a complete and total hard reset. Let's go over the code real quick. So now in the code, I have app.java, and like my other project, it is the main driver class for the project. It starts the application and runs it. Let me run this. And here's another separate here's a SQLite database. There's no real CRUD here. It's just a database, but it does have a little bit more detail. You can even add the specific soldiers from this database into the website if you wanted to. Now we're gonna go to soldier controller. There it is. This is the controller. It deals with any requests and connects any web pages to the database. So when a user clicks any button on the website, the class pretty much decides what happens next. Soldier service. Soldier service. This contains it contains the main logic of at least the Spring Boot. It connects the controller to the storage of the project and processes it. Processes the data. File soldier. It saves and loads any soldier data. It's like the data storage layer of the project. I have orc, which is like it's the model class. It represents like any soldier. Represents any soldier, whether they're orc, um, whether they're orc, Nazgul, or goblin. Now we're gonna go over the HTMLs. So this is this is for our menu. It's basically just what the user sees when they log in. So everything that I showed earlier, right here, for the website. CSS is the CSS. Here. So this is the design of the project. It has all the colors, layout. I have all the images that I uploaded on here as well. Yes, that's basically concludes my project presentation. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoy messing with it, Mr. K. The project was a lot, but it was also very fun to make, and the end result when everything came together. Um, Thank you, Mr. K. You you have a good one. Enjoy them Turks and Caicos. All right, bye.